Hello and welcome. In this video we're going to install and configure the Customize plugin. So I'm going to go over to my site, just make sure that you're logged in. I'm going to click here and I'm going to go to my plugins. And so once here I'm going to upload the plugin. And I'm just going to use the drag and drop. So let me just find the plugin in the downloads folder. So here we have the Customize plugin, and I'll just drag and drop it. And then I'll click here to upload. And now that that's done, I can come back to the plugins and find Customize. So here we go. So switch it on by switching the toggle, and then I'm going to install the tables. That will update your MySQL database, and I'm going to go into Customize Site. And so here is where you can edit the about text and the footer and the description. So if I just put in this is sample text, I'll put more sample text, just a description, and so I'll save, and then I'll come back to the home page and I'll scroll down the bottom, and you can see, if you look carefully, that has now changed down here. Okay, so let me just show you where the about and the description get updated. So if I come down here to almost the very bottom and just click about. So you could have a lot more detail in here, but I just wanted to show you where it updated. And the description is actually inside the source code for the page. So if I just go in here and do view source, and you'll see it's just here, meta name description, and then whatever content you put in there. So hopefully you found that useful, and I look forward to seeing you in another video really soon. Thanks and bye for now.